It's time to make a real change. Shakes for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, perpetual salads, and magical microwave meals are no longer acceptable. Don't avoid special occasions with family and friends because the wrong food will be there. We get it. Weight loss isn't easy. If it was, we wouldn't need Photoshop and countless Instagram filters. It's time to end that unhealthy relationship like an adult. And it's absolutely time to invest in something simple, science-based, and proven by real people just like you. Welcome to Slenderiiz. Slenderiiz provides a holistic mealtime advantage with a simple solution to an everyday problem. This is the only program of its kind to address the fact that weight loss is truly a multidimensional challenge. This program is compact and easy to follow, with products that give you a distinct advantage by kicking your cravings to the curb, balancing your hormones, revving up your fat-burning metabolism, and reducing the feelings of hunger. Slenderiiz addresses the role that hunger plays in weight loss. If you're abnormally hungry, eat when you're bored, or crave processed foods, this all leads to excess fat storage. The products in the Slenderiiz program help you keep feelings of hunger under control and burn excess fat, so you can lose that clingy weight and keep it off. Now's the time to say no to the yo-yo diet and sad short-term results and get serious about a real weight loss solution that doesn't overwhelm you. Now's the time to say yes to friends and family and take Slenderiiz along for the occasion. Slenderiiz. This is a real weight loss solution designed for real people for real results. Get the control back in your life and give yourself the power to say no to excess calories and excess fat.